To bring the power of generative AI to life, let's look at 5 groundbreaking real-world case studies where it's already making a significant impact. Case Study 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI, the most widely recognized GenAI application. It uses a large language model, GPT series, to engage in conversational dialogue, answer questions, write essays, summarize text, brainstorm ideas, and even write code, demonstrating remarkable versatility across numerous text-based tasks. Case Study 2, Midjourney for visual content creation. Midjourney is a popular AI art generator that takes text prompts and transforms them into stunning, high-resolution images. It's used by artists, marketers, and individuals to quickly generate unique visual assets for various purposes, from concept art to marketing campaigns. Case Study 3, GitHub Copilot for code generation. Developed by GitHub and OpenAI, Copilot is an AI pair programmer that suggests code snippets, completes lines, and even generates entire functions in various programming languages based on comments and existing code. It significantly boosts developer productivity. Case Study 4, AI in drug discovery. Example, in silico medicine. Companies like In Silico Medicine use generative AI to design novel molecules with desired properties, accelerating the identification of potential drug candidates. This dramatically reduces the time and cost associated with early-stage drug discovery, leading to new treatments faster. Case Study 5, Synthesia for AI video generation. Synthesia allows users to create professional-quality AI videos from text. You type a script, choose an AI avatar, and the platform generates a video with a speaking presenter, complete with lip syncing and natural gestures. This is transforming corporate training, marketing videos, and news delivery. These examples showcase the incredible breadth and potential of generative AI, from augmenting human creativity to accelerating scientific breakthroughs. We've now covered the core of AI and ML. Our final module will touch upon reinforcement learning and the critical topic of AI ethics.